were diagnosed with
Yes.
HIV.
Yeah.
You didn't want to tell everybody that time, huh?
Yeah. I was just nervous. Like it was just very sudden for me.
Right, of course, madam. That's anybody diagnosed with HIV, you're half dead.
So I was always confident.
No, madam. What I'm trying to say is anybody, madam, will be dead.
Yeah.
It's like no cure. The whole world no cure. Anybody, madam. Because I've been to a place where we call it in Malaysia, they call it HIV center. They all just come visit and they call it pink triangle.
Yeah.
The pink triangle like a feather and they go along. And everybody was class, nobody had life, madam. Nobody even talked. They saying where's it? They just take the medication to heal their symptoms, not knowing what's going to happen, madam. You understand? And that itself will bring the whole system down.
Exactly. But you should be like accept it and go on.
But not everybody can do that, madam.
So I'm doing it since
You
23 years.
you can do that, madam.
I'm doing it since 23 years. I'm
So
still
when were you diagnosed?
2000.
Year 2000. So you're 23 years now.
Yeah.
And then what did you do? What did you do? What are the things that you did at that time?
Nothing.
You know PVH has recently
Nothing. I just took the medication that had started, and then also this viral load never came down to the normal.
Right.
Never came down.
Well, viral load.
Yeah.
Viral load. They do some tests to find what the virus is. But it's very active there.
Yes. Yeah, it shows the normal one should be within 1000. But mine was always above 5000, 6000. Never came down. It should be the normal. Usually it is zero. Like those who don't have.
Of course.
Yeah. So that is zero.
Something can have
But now
something.
it is not detected since 1 year.
So show me the video. So what were you doing so that this will not be detected?
No, some was done and your PVH, all the, I used to read thoroughly this cell space, both, then for 1 number, 7 number.
Did you heal yourself to the wall?
Yeah, that time I used to do only aura cleaning and this one. But now I've started with the cell cleaning of the, especially HIV cell. That I just got the book from the JSP and so.
So this is a report.
This is just a recent report.
When report, madam? This is a report.
This is the last one. This is this is the report taken in October.
In October?
Yeah, 29th October. 29th October.
Okay.
No, sorry. This one is the last.
This is the last
this is
one.
2001, 2022. This is the 4th October.
4th October. Okay. So there was 2020 was also no. Zero.
Yes.
Even now it's zero.
Yes.
So after 1 year, it's zero. So you read forgiveness of all the cells, the body, I think the HIV cells, and then
And I've even started playing with the video of cells video.
Very important.
Yeah.
So let's see. Is there any active virus in the body? No. There's no more active virus. That is good. Good, madam. Good.